Hello, you're welcome to Coach Tobi's class on critical thinking, and this is the part two of this study. And in this part two, we're going to go deep into examples of critical thinking and steps you can use to practice critical thinking for problem solving and how critical thinking affects your career. All right, let's go into the study. The circumstances that demand critical thinking vary from industry to industry. And we're going to give some examples to see how we can use critical thinking practically. Number one is about a tried nurse. And these tried nurse, these are nurses that are placed in emergency rooms. And this nurse needs to analyze the cases at hand and decide the order by which the patients should be treated. Now, an emergency room has different cases. So, which one do you want to treat first? Which one is urgent? Which one is important? You need to have critical thinking to be able to survive in that place. So a trained nurse will need to analyze the information at hand about the person, about the issue, and know which ones are urgent and important, or important but not urgent. So see how critical thinking plays. Then number two, a plumber evaluates the materials that best would suit a particular job, that best will suit. That means there are different materials, but which one will best suit? Remember, in the first part, you need to have the best solution. And not just any solution, but the best that will put you at the top of people's mind. And you can only achieve that through critical thinking. Number three, an attorney reviews evidence and devises a strategy to win a case or to decide whether to settle out of court. Very interesting. Don't just say because you're a lawyer, everything will be settled in the court. Some things can be settled out of court with proper thinking of how do I handle this challenge. Then number four, a manager analyzes customer feedback forms and uses the information to develop a customer service training session for employees. Very, very smart. Don't just say, we are opening a business and people are just coming and going without having feedback forms. Then you can use the information to develop a customer service training for your employees to be able to improve the way they handle your customers so you can retain customers. So see how critical thinking is important in these sectors and even in every sector. Now let's look at steps. Critical thinking often occurs in order of a few steps from identifying a problem or issue. So critical thinking often occurs in order of a few steps from identifying a problem or issue to developing a solution. Here are common steps that occur when using critical thinking for solving problems. Number one, identify a problem or issue. Know where the problem is coming from clearly. Then create inferences. What are inferences? Conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. Like I said, look at the context and the facts. Evidence. These are the facts about this issue that are reasonable on why the problem exists and how it can be solved. So you look at these evidences and reasonings on why it first exists and how it can be solved. Then collect information or data on the issue through research. Do research, ask questions about this issue. Don't just work based on your own personal interpretation. Remember, you have to be objective. Ask people around, why did this thing happen and how can we solve it? Then organize and sort data and findings. Organize what you have step by step. Then develop and execute solutions. So remember, we're looking for the best solution. So there might be some solutions that will help and might not help. So analyze what solutions worked or didn't work. And identify ways to improve the solution. The ones that now worked, okay, now see how you can improve it and get the best one to solve it. So if you go through these steps, you'll be able to practice critical thinking, be able to solve problems logically, and be a person of value. Now, how does critical thinking help your career? Because you have to be able to think well and know what sectors to focus on in 2020, irrespective of what you have studied. It might sound painful, but this is reality. So I'm going to take you through the top 5 industry sectors for 2020 and the top jobs in demands in 2020. Now, I came across this for the first time last year. And let me tell you, it's already playing out this year. Number one top industry sector for 2020 is technology and computational thinking. Technology is taking over now, especially during this COVID-19 now period. Most people can communicate more through social media, through technology devices, because we can't go out. Then number two is caregiving. You can see how doctors and nurses are helping people around the world. Then number three is what? Social intelligence and new media literacy. Can you? Yes, that portrays the issue of social media, how to use Instagram Live, how to do online training like we are doing now. Then lifelong learning. Number five, adaptability and business acumen. So these are the sectors that are top. And remember, I saw this first last year and see how it's playing out this year. That means the people that got this finding or got these 5 industry sectors use critical thinking. Now, what are the 10 most in-demand jobs for 2020? Number one, data analysts. Number two, medical technicians and physical therapists and workplace ergonomic experts. Number three, sales and marketing specialists. Number four, customer service representative. Number five, management analysts. Number six, software developers and computer programmers. Number seven, veterinarians. Number eight, product designers and creatives. Number 9, teachers and trainers. Number 10, accountants and auditors. Wow. This is based on good research, my brothers, my sisters. You can go and browse our website and study more. Because this is how to use critical thinking in this day and age, especially for your career. Don't just look at a sector based on activity. Look at a sector that you can experience productivity in. So on that note, we're going to stop tonight. These are the sources. I'll copy and paste it in your group so you can go and learn more. And let us take it further in discussions, in questions and comments. Thank you for listening, and God bless you.